Okay, another quick look at the last thing in Chapter 4, Section 1. So if I want to have you draw an angle in standard position so that the terminal side passes through this ordered pair, I really need you to start getting very familiar with where the quadrantal angles are, approximately what the size of the angle is. So again, here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis. If a terminal side passes through where x is a -3, so go left 3 and go up 8. That's just an estimate on my part. Left 3 and up 8. Then here's the terminal side, passes through that ordered pair, and we're speaking about this angle. I'm just going to say, call it theta, and it looks to me like it's approximately 110 degrees, because right here you're at 0 degrees, right here you're at 90 degrees, here you're at 180 degrees, here's 270 degrees, and when you get back around again, you're back to 360 degrees. So be aware of the size of the angle that you're working with. Standard position means the x-axis is your initial side, and then the terminal side is the one that goes through the ordered pair. So that's standard position, and we say counterclockwise for it to be positive. So this next one, x is a -4, y is a -5. That's in the third quadrant. So right over here, because from the origin we go to left 4 and down 5, and that's the ordered pair. The terminal side goes through that, and then the angle I'm speaking about is bigger than 90, bigger than 180, but not as big as 270, because here's 270 and here's 180. So if you wanted to estimate, you could call that 45 degrees, and 180 plus 45 might mean that that angle is approximately 225 degrees. This last one is a quadrantal angle. When x is 0 and y is 3, then you are on the y-axis, and you are up here 3 units. So the terminal side passes through this ordered pair, so this is where it is, and so in reality that's guaranteed to be a 90-degree angle. I don't have to guess, because here's my initial side, the x-axis. My terminal side happens to be on the y-axis here. I have a 90-degree angle. Again, finally, just know where you are. What quadrants are these angles in? So if I draw my x-axis and my y-axis, reminding you that this is where 0 degrees is, this is where 180 degrees, this is where 90 degrees is. This 95-degree angle is just into this quadrant. Here's my first, here's my second, here's my third, and here's my fourth quadrant. So 95 degrees, you need to be ready to tell me that's in the second quadrant. 320, 90, 180, 270, and 360, so 320's got to be between these two. So it's in the fourth quadrant. 214, just a little bit more than 180, but not up to 270. Third quadrant. 180-degree angle is a quadrantal angle. We do not specify that it's in a particular quadrant. Very good. On to discovering trigonometry.